We, the Nigerian workers, on this auspicious occasion of the 2021 May Day celebration, it must be stated ab initio that the events leading to the celebration of the May Day in 1887 are dominant today in Nigeria. The insecurity generally across the length and breadth of the country is taking its toll on the workers and the citizens. People cannot sleep with their two eyes closed for fear of being kidnapped, killed, or extorted. Life in Nigeria has become short and unbearable. Many Nigerians can no longer go about their legitimate businesses. Farms and businesses are shutting down. Students are kidnapped in their schools. Some of them are killed, and some of their parents are made to pay ransom. The Boko Haram and insurgents are currently hosting their flags in some parts of the country. It is as a result of this reason and many others that the economy of our country has collapsed, culminating in the growing rate of unemployment, hunger, and poverty. The high rate of inflation have put a deep hole in the pockets of workers and has rendered the 30,000 naira minimum wage nugatory. In spite of this, some state governors and employers of labor are yet to pay the minimum wage of 30,000 naira per month. The responsibility and onus is on the President and Commander-in-Chief to defend Nigerians. It's his responsibility to secure lives and properties. There is really nothing much I and you can do, except you are saying that we should start employing self-help. The only thing I and you can do is for us to start employing self-help. And you will agree with me that at this level, it will be most inappropriate for us to be giving that advice. So what we can do is to continue to call on Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief to rise to this occasion of insecurity and deal with it decisively. We also use this occasion to appeal to him that he should rise beyond his ethnic, religious, and partisan affinities and defend the country. I believe that he will heed this advice and rise to the occasion and do the needful. The country is at the brink of collapse today. Nobody can travel, can move from one end of the country to the other end. Children cannot go to school. Workers cannot go to work. Businessmen cannot do business. Farmers cannot go to farm. So you can see that the country is collapsing. And I want to appeal to him with passion that because of posterity, because of his own name, because of his own integrity, because of his own dignity, he has no choice but to rise to the occasion and defend the nation and defend his name and defend his integrity. So squarely and most importantly, the ball of this security and insecurity lies in the hand of the president because he is saddled with the constitutional responsibility to defend the nation and defend its citizens.